Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. Lesson number 4, Magic E, the long U sound. M, U, L. Mule. Now it's your turn. Now practice with me. M, U, L. Mule. Say it again. Mule. Repeat after me. Mule. 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 Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. M, U, L. Mule. M, U, L. Mule. Mule. Repeat after me. Mule. 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 Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. You can download a free flashcard using the link in the description below. Please subscribe. Can you read this sentence? This animal is a mule. Repeat after me. This animal is a mule. This animal is a mule. Say it again. Mule. This animal is a mule. Repeat after me. This animal is a mule. This animal is a mule. Mule. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading. If you enjoy my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Try and read the sentence in the next video. See you in the next lesson. Ta-da! See you next time.
We are going to learn the magic E. So sit right down and read with me, yeah. Like cake, take, bake, and make. Magic E changes the sound we say.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to read it. Learn with teacher Mick, reading